Here we've got an 07 plate Peugeot 206cc. Car doesn't have any MOT. We've not tried to put an MOT on it, but it starts, runs, drives. I moved it into this parking space here to allow that to happen. The bonnet, marks on the bonnet, that's just dust from it sitting. Does have a few scrapes on it. Stepping inside, the roof, I've tried to take the roof down, it appears not to work. I'll just start the car up. So yeah, starts all fine. Pop it to gear. It does drive around. Clutch's biting point is quite high, but yeah, it's okay.